The first thing is hang on to God. The first source of help to which an addict needs to turn, first in the order of time and first in the order of importance, is God. This is not a matter of religion or philosophy, but simply a matter of fact. It is the power of God which enables addicts to recover. Without that power, there are very few recoveries. Now, there are a lot of different opinions about God, but we are not talking about God as an opinion, but as a living power. You have to remember that you are an addict, not a professor. Do not waste time theorizing about God. What you do is get in touch with God by the simple and direct means of talking to God, that is, by plain old ordinary prayer. Every nitwit knows how to pray. The knack here is to do it. No preliminary ducking or bobbing is necessary, just do it.
That's pretty good.
Do not waste energy debating about God. Take God as a possibility, a working hypothesis. Make the experiment of getting in touch. This comes ahead of everything else, and anybody can do it. You can do it. Hundreds of thousands of alcoholics and drug addicts, many of them atheists, have made this experiment and proved themselves that there is a power greater than themselves who responds and gives real, practical, effective help when called on. All real recovery begins here. It makes no difference whether you are a believer or not. If you are not, start by praying to the God you don't believe in. Just park your objections for a while and do it as an experiment.